everybody. Welcome back to the latest installment of Beard Guy Workshop. I'm your humble host, Ron, and in today's video, I'll be making a handsaw push stick. It's pretty much a push stick with a old style, old-fashioned antique saw handle. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I gotta give credit where credit is due. I got this idea from a gentleman by the name of Mike Warren. You should check out his YouTube channel. I'll post it in the description box below. His channel goes by Mikeosaurus, and also we'll post his Instructable page. This is a website. It's a step-by-step playbook on how to make this specific project. So yeah, it takes all the guesswork out of it. So yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into it.
Perfect.
All right, that project was another home run. Like I said before, it was pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I gotta admit that cut, kind of cutting a bigger slot, bigger groove into the saw handle. I don't like I don't like cuts like that, man. But you saw me bracing it and keeping my hand away from the blade. So definitely, if you try it, be careful making a cut like that. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Always use caution. I forgot to mention initially this is another scrap wood build, so the strips were already I don't think I mentioned it, but the strips were already cut out, processed, went through the planer, went through the joint, was ready to go. So I just started the project from the glue up as you saw in the video. So yeah, I mean give it a shot. Let me know how it turned out if you do try it down the road. That's it, man. You know me, I don't like to really I don't like to really ramble on. So yeah, man, go out, try something new, keep your head on the swivel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out of here. Peace.
Better got about my way. This is start of a new day. Feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing. New swing set. I'ma go for the loop, man. I'm a fruit gone loopy. That's the Sammy the Toucan.